What is up, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. At 2,500 subscribers, I will be giving away $150 worth of e-gold. So make sure you guys are supporting the channel. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. It is your one-stop shop for all things crypto. Make sure you guys are bookmarking it, checking it out if you want to. And I also have a Twitter at Crustless Crypto. Links will be in the description and comment section down below. Make sure you guys are following me. So guys, we're going to be shifting gears here for a second in this video. I want to talk about the crypto.com coins. Aaron Bennett, great YouTuber. Make sure you guys are subscribing to him and checking out his videos as well. I was on my couch the other day and I watched this video. He stated here why CRO will hit $14.85 and the exact path that crypto.com will surpass Binance. And after watching this video, it kind of reminded me of the crypto.com coin and exchange and how it has completely blown up this year. I mean, if you guys haven't noticed, it's been on advertisements, especially in the States where they're being advertised on television. They got their own commercials, own actors, which we'll talk about in a second here, doing videos for them. And, you know, if you guys go to a lot of basketball games, they're, you know, on a lot of the banners now. So it kind of, you know, stirred my brain and wanted me to make this video because the entire exchange has really become prevalent. So before you guys go any further, again, make sure you watch this video. 7 minutes long, 8 minutes long, and he has a lot of good information on his perspective. Now we're going to transition to what I think of the crypto.com coin. So first, taking a look at the price as always when it comes to a coin. So the crypto.com is an exchange, right? Think of Binance, but they also have their own, you know, exchange coin. They call it the crypto.com coin, kind of like the Binance coin, Binance Smart Chain coin, whatever you want to call it. So if you can see here, it's currently at 61 cents. Now, guys, if you guys are not tracking, it has a current market cap of $15.5 billion and it has a trading volume of 24 hours of 369 million. Now, if we scroll down here, look at the price. Beginning of this year is at 0.05 cents, about 6 cents a piece, guys. And then, as we saw in November here, it actually reached an all-time high of 90 cents, November 23rd, so not too long ago. And then it did have a correction, but it's now stabilizing at this current price. So if you guys look at this, right, it's actually gone over more than a 10x. It has 10x from the beginning of this year, and people who have held this coin, and the people who have held this coin in the beginning of the year definitely made a good amount of profit on their gains. Now, if we take a look at its market cap, it was only at $1.5 billion market cap, going all the way up to $22.75 billion market cap. And again, going down to what we see here at 15.5 billion. I'm a big user of crypto.com. In fact, all my, you know, liquidations happen on crypto.com. It is the one exchange other than Binance US where me as a US citizen can actually liquidate my crypto assets and transfer it into my account. How crypto.com works as an exchange, basically it gives you a account, basically a bank account, and I am able to deposit or withdraw money from that bank account to my actual personal or business bank accounts, depending on what I need to do. So that's the one thing I like about the crypto.com exchange. And I don't know exactly how Binance does it, but I actually have a bank which is federally insured. So I know in a way that my fiat money is safe. All right, guys, so jumping into the website here, crypto.com, you're introduced to this video if you would like to watch it. Matt Damon actually is in it. It's a minute long, and it basically talks about fortune favoring the brave. And it basically goes into how we came from primitive technology as ships and planes, as you guys can see here, into astronauts, space. And basically what it's showing is like the capabilities that humans have and how technology, again, has been progressing at an advanced rate. Now, if we scroll down here, it does have a nice little introduction for you, and it kind of takes place in space with Mars. And I think the crypto.com exchange is really trying to push towards, you know, modernization, being, you know, kind of current, up to date with technology and, you know, taking advantage of its capabilities. And they primarily operate off of their app. So if you have an Apple or Android, they do have apps for those. If you would like to use my referral link, it'll be in the description and comment section down below. Again, no pressure, but if you guys are interested in making money like I am, it will be a good 50-50 deal here if you guys click on that link and use it. Now, moving on from that, they do have a debit card system. Probably one of the first exchanges to actually offer debit cards or credit cards, however you want to talk about it. So there's no annual fees to the cards. And if you scroll down here, there's different tiers and they offer various different benefits. As you guys can see here, it starts from the Midnight Blue, which is $0 and then goes all the way up to $400,000, the Obsidian. Now, the higher, obviously, you go, the more features that you get. So how you actually get these cards, you need to stake CRO. Now, it used to be called MCO back in the day when I actually first got my card. And yes, I do have a card. I'll show it to you guys in a second here. Probably the most easier one for people is the Midnight Blue, but if you would actually like to get your foot in the water, the $400 tier is probably your best bet. Now, as you guys can see here, you need to stake a certain amount of CRO. So what this means by $400,000 is you need to stake $400,000 worth of CRO, and I'm pretty sure that the rates go from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and basically it locks your money, your CRO value until that period, and you gain rewards from it. Now, if we scroll down here, they do offer CRO rewards. So basically, if you use the card to purchase things, you're able to get 8% back maximum as CRO rewards. So imagine, guys, buying something for $100, you're basically getting $8 worth of CRO rewarded to you based on every single purchase. And I think that's huge, and it definitely incentivizes holding and staking the coin to begin with. Now, further scrolling on here, you do have a lot of stuff like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb, a lot more benefits and offers than I used to see here back in the day when I first got my card. And how they do it is on rebates. Now, I won't go into detail on each one, but they do give you a lot of different features like this airport lounge access with a guest if you're on the top 2 cards. And, there's also earned bonus rewards, exclusive merchandise welcome packs if you do the top 2 cards. And then lastly, for the Obsidian, you get a private jet partnership. So not probably what the average citizen is going to be utilizing or interested in, but probably people who are interested in the coin are probably going to be starting at that $400 mark. Now, as I said earlier, guys, I do have my own Crypto.com card. I actually got this back in 2018, 2019, so a couple years when the CRO was actually named MCO. So it came in a little thing like this. I staked $400 worth of CRO at the time, and it's pretty cool what you get out of the box. You get this nice little card here. They might do it differently now, but when I actually got the card, this is what they gave me. They gave me a little welcome note here saying thank you, and they got me this cool little card holder. So it's actually pretty legit. So how, it says MCO. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says MCO on here, and that's what the coin used to be named. So pretty cool actually design of the envelope. How it worked is that you would pull this thing down and actually would have your card just sitting in here. So pretty cool stuff. Again, I do not know if they're still doing it like this, but whoever has a card recently, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section down below. But it was pretty cool. Now, it came like this. Again, here's the actual card, and I have the ruby one, like I said. And I won't show you the back because my card number's on here, but I mean, it's definitely a metal card, definitely high quality, has some weight to it. And if you guys are interested, again, for an exchange to offer, debit cards, you're able to top it up and kind of do whatever you want with it. It's basically a dedicated bank account assigned to the card. So that's something, if you guys are interested in, make sure you guys are checking it out. Now, they do have their own marketplace here. And if you scroll down here, they do offer kind of similar features as CryptoCoin Market Cap or CoinGecko. I kind of just want to briefly show this to you guys that they're definitely expanding their products and services compared to when I remember them being back in 2019, 2020. So guys, probably the part where everyone really cares about. Why I personally think that the Crypto.com has potential as well. Look at Binance Coin. As we see here, if we look at the year market cap, January 3rd was at 6 billion. So it was only at $6 billion market cap January 1st of this year. I know we're getting into 2022, but think of that as a perspective. Now its current market cap is at 90 billion. It's actually went up 90x. And as we all know why, Binance has a lot to do in the smart chain, smart contracts. They kind of have their own dApps, basically being able to use it on PancakeSwap and actually having coins built on the Binance smart chain. That definitely increases the value, and that's why it's sitting at $542 in my opinion. Will the Crypto.com hit these levels? I really do think so. The fact that they already have their debit card kind of product lineup already established, they already have, a big marketing scene, and that's probably one of the biggest things that I am noticing from the Crypto.com exchange is that they have a huge marketing campaign. They are literally everywhere, and they're definitely spreading mass adoption. How to sign up is pretty easy. For U.S. citizens especially, they're definitely appealing to that audience that I definitely, buy and sell on Crypto.com. It's probably one of my main drivers, like I said earlier. So a lot of potential, and it's only sitting at $15 billion market cap. It's definitely gone a long way this year, and all they need to start doing now is establishing a smart chain and being able to do the same things that Binance does. Now, what's important to note here is that they also are starting to get into the NFT space. So now there's an update that happened probably a while ago where you're able to, buy and sell NFTs. I haven't really explored that feature of the app yet, but it is definitely there. So take this into perspective, guys. If a coin like Binance went from 1 billion to 90 billion, you definitely have a coin like Crypto.com already in the rank 15, already up there in ranking compared to many other coins out there. And they're definitely growing and growing from here. So again, they do have a lot of features, right? Like I said earlier, they have the Visa cards, they have the Crypto Earn, which you can get up to 14.5% rewards on coins, Crypto Credit, which is an instant loan with no deadlines, Crypto.com Pay, you can pay and get paid in crypto, Crypto.com NFTs. Definitely a lot of features on the ecosystem, on the exchange, and the next step now is just establishing their own smart chain to do, again, the similar things like Binance. And lastly, guys, just for some perspective, they already have their own stadium, their own arena. It's literally called the Crypto.com Arena, and respect the legacy, build the future. And to me, this is insane where you have a crypto exchange that owns a stadium, owns an arena, whatever you want to call it. And it shows exactly, how much potential that this ecosystem has. Again, guys, only at a $15 billion market cap and a lot more opportunity to grow. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of the Crypto.com coin and the exchange itself? Did you guys have a good experience with it as I did? I'm dying to know your thoughts. Happy holidays to everyone out there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.
Bye.